Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we're making coleslaw to go with our Cinco de Mayo celebration. So we're making Mexican coleslaw, and I'm going to show you how to make the dressing for the coleslaw. This is not like the usual coleslaw mayonnaise based dressing. So first we have some dried mustard. This will help the vinegar and oil to emulsify and stay together. Okay, so first we're going to put a little bit of lime juice. That's acidic. And this is white balsamic vinegar. Now it's a little sweet, and since coleslaw is usually a little bit sweet, we're going to put this in there. Okay, and we have that. And oregano, a tiny shake of chipotle. So we have a friend who's coming who doesn't like spicy, so we're just putting a little, one shake. That's good. And I have my whisk. This is avocado oil. You could use any oil that really doesn't have a lot of flavor. You could even use olive oil if you wanted to. So, start adding oil very slowly. And you can see that it is emulsifying and mixing very nicely together. Always taste for seasoning. Make sure that it has enough salt or it's not too bitter. Oh, it's perfect. It doesn't really need anything at all. All right, and here's our carrots and cabbage that have already been shredded. I'm just going to mix them up a little bit. You could, of course, if you wanted to, you could add a number of things to this. You could add raisins to it. You could add jalapeno to this. I mean, there's all kinds of things you could add to this. You could even add corn. That would be good too. Okay, and take the dressing, pour it over. Mix it. Have to taste for seasoning. That's lovely. It's fresh, crisp, and flavorful. See you next time on Your Good Plate.